What's the meaning of Cheltenham? Cheltenham. Cheltenham.
Cheltenham. Cheltenham. Cheltenham is a town in Gloucestershire, England.
The name Cheltenham is believed to mean settlement belonging to Celton or camp on the plain. The town is known for its Regency architecture, gardens, and cultural festivals, such as the Cheltenham Literature Festival and the Cheltenham Jazz Festival. It is also famous for its racecourse, which hosts the annual Cheltenham Festival, one of the most prestigious national hunt racing events in the world.
Cheltenham is a popular destination for tourists, offering a blend of history, culture, and entertainment.